In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a new background in Canva quickly and easily. This is a super useful trick, whether you're designing social media graphics, presentations, thumbnails, posters, or any other creative project. Changing the background can completely transform the look of your design, and the best part is that Canva makes it simple. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Canva tips and software tutorials. Now, let's jump right in. First, open your design in Canva. You can do this by signing into your Canva account and selecting the project you want to edit. Once your design is open, take a moment to look at the page you want to change. If your design already has elements on it, that's totally fine. You just need to make sure you're working on the correct page before changing the background. Next, click on an empty area of the page. This is important because Canva needs you to select the page itself rather than a text box, image, or other element. If you click on an object by mistake, Canva will edit that item instead of the background options. So click somewhere blank on the canvas to make sure the page is selected. Once the page is selected, look up at the toolbar and click the background color button. In Canva, this option lets you change the entire page background in just a few clicks. When you select it, Canva will open a color panel with different options you can choose from. You'll usually see default colors, document colors, and possibly recently used colors as well. Now, choose a color that fits your design. If you want something simple, you can click one of the preset colors. If you need something more specific, you can enter a custom color code. This is especially helpful if you're trying to match brand colors, maintain a consistent theme, or recreate a specific design style. Just type in your color code and Canva will apply it instantly. As soon as you select the color, your new background will appear on the page. That's it. Your background has been updated. If you want to test different looks, you can keep clicking different colors until you find the one that works best. Canva updates everything in real time, so it's easy to experiment and see what looks most professional. If your design includes text or graphics, make sure the new background still gives you enough contrast so everything remains easy to read. A good background should support your design, not distract from it. For example, lighter backgrounds often work well for clean and minimal layouts, while darker backgrounds can help bright elements stand out more. And that's how you add a new background in Canva. It's fast, beginner-friendly, and one of the easiest ways to improve the overall look of your design. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials, and check out the next Canva guide for more helpful design tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.